NoMoreNoobie here. In this video I'm going to show you how to speed up your PS4 gaming videos using the time bender on the Sharefactory app on the PS4. So if you're a PS4 player wanting to learn how to turn your gameplay into videos using the free and easy Sharefactory app on the PS4, then this is the channel for you. So please do subscribe and turn on notifications. And if you've got suggestions for other videos, please do let me know. Thanks. So we're going to use the time bender in the Sharefactory app, and this can be used for slow motion or for speeding up your videos. So we've done a video already on slow motion, so we're going to do now one on speeding up your videos. So the reasons we might want to speed it up is maybe you want to vary up your videos and make them change a little bit and keep them interesting, or you might want to get rid of the boring stuff in your videos. So an example of that is a previous video that I did a while ago, which is really good fun. It's a speedboat around the island challenge, and basically it was just to see if you could land on the edge of the map, jump in a speedboat, and then ride the speedboat all the way around the whole of the map before dying to the storm and getting back to the same place that you started. So that was the idea of the video, and you can see there obviously it's going to be boring to be watching a boat going around the map all the time, so I was speeding it up on these little bits, slowed it down to stop here, and then straight back to keep trying to get around the island, and it's going to speed up again, and it just transitions between the two like that. So we can use the same in other videos, and in this example here we're going to use the same in Fortnite. So I had a game here where I was in a fight with somebody and realised I'd run out of materials, and this player was quite a good player, so I decided to disengage and move away from him. So what came next was about a minute and 40 seconds of just looting and stuff. So what I decided was to show you how to split the clip and then speed it up. So what we need to do is find where we want it split, and we push the square and we go across to split clip, and then we push across and split clip, confirm, and then we just want to forward it on through till find the bit where we want that split clip to end. So you can see here this is really boring. I was just waiting around, I'm chopping down trees and stuff. So we'll find the bit where we want it to end, and it's just coming up here because the guy that I was fighting, I think it was him, followed me on. So I'm going to just find a bit here, and then I'm going to press cross to split the clip again, and then once we've pressed the cross we confirm it, and then that will be the clip that we're going to speed up. Okay, and so it will lead to that bit before the first split to this point here, and then this is where the guy comes, and I do some terrible shooting and then just managed to get him with a shotgun a couple of times here. And so it's what we're doing is we're just going from interesting bit to interesting bit rather than all the boring stuff in between. So we go back to the bit where we split, which is all this bit here, and then we're going to go to push in the square button to go into time bender. And this is what time bender looks like. So the one in the middle there is normal speed, and then to the left we have slow motion, and then to the right is where it goes faster. So 2 times is 2 times the speed, and then 4 times the speed, etc. It's like that, it goes up to 8. So underneath there it says step, okay, and it says smooth. So the step is a motion where it steps over some clips to give a fast forward effect, and the smooth is where it combines some of the clips to make it look more smooth. Okay, so you can just play about with those to choose, and I'll give some examples later to show you what they look like. Okay, so this is an example of the clip there, and you can see it's turned purple, so we know that that's got a change in speed of it, and it says 4 times at the bottom, so that's 4 times the normal speed, and that is given an example of what that looks like. Now I'm looking at it thinking that actually there's still quite a lot of boring stuff even though it's being forwarded on, so I think what we'll do is move that, we go back into it and do it to 8 times the speed and see what that looks like. Okay, now by doing that each time it's shortening the clip. Okay, so it means that people aren't going to be getting so bored, hopefully, when they're watching your video. So we've gone from a 1 minute 40 seconds clip to this being a sort of 12 or 13 second clip. Okay, so you're making your videos shorter but more efficient, and you're not going to get people turning off, hopefully, because they're tired of watching you chop down trees. Okay, the only other option you could do is just to delete the clip if you didn't want to fast forward it. So it depends whether you want people to see, oh, this is why you've got more mats, because you went there and chopped down more trees or whatever. Okay, here's some examples of the different speeds, and this is 2 times speed, so it just gives you an idea there. Then it's going to go 4 speed now, 4 times speed, and then really quickly 8 times speed. Okay, and that was all step in motion. We're going to do exactly the same. They're all 10-second clips for examples, and this is going to be the smooth example now. So this is 2 times speed, and then it's 4 times the speed now, and then 8 times speed really quickly. Okay, so gives you an idea of how quickly it goes. They're all 10-second clips, so they have all been obviously reduced each time to much faster clips. So you just play about with it and make it how you want it. But there you go. I hope that helps you out. Do check out that speedboat around the island challenge. It was such good fun when I did it, and check out the video I did. I did manage to achieve it in the end, so see if you can do the same, and if you do manage to do it, let me know in the comments below on this video, and even on the actual speedboat challenge video itself as well. I'll put links to it on here and in the description, and it is in my playlist as well. So thanks for watching, and any questions do let me know, and all the best for now. Bye.